Oh no! Yikes! Hold on. Hold on. No. All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. On a cool day up here in Maine, we have some high water conditions and some cool air. We're going to see if we can catch some fish. Oh, we just had one. Come back, come back. It came back. There's our first one on the morning. He bit once, came back after it, and we got him. Let's get this guy back in. We got that first fish on a Ned Rig, and we're just using a soft plastic minnow. K-Lens, excuse me, a soft plastic smelt. It's a K-Lens smelt. We've got a second one here. Oh no! Yikes! Hold on. Hold on. All right, folks, there we go. There is our second one on the morning. 2 fish in about 5 minutes. Let's get this guy back in. All right, folks, here's a closer look at that soft plastic smelt that we're using. 2 fish on it so far. Oh no. We had our third one and we missed him. All right, folks, so I just realized I've been saying that I'm using a smelt. I just looked at the package and it's actually packaged as a minnow, so my bad. And as soon as I admit my mistake, we are rewarded with a fish. There we go, folks. There's another one on that Ned Rigged minnow, not smelt, minnow. Let's get this guy back in. So the retrieve I'm using on this is, making my cast. And the retrieve is just a slow retrieve back in, kind of erratic. I'm trying to stop every now and then, give it a few pops. And what we're trying to do is mimic an injured bait fish, which is going to hopefully attract bass to come in and come in for the kill. Whoa. There's another one on that Ned Rigged minnow. This guy bit really, really hard right here next to the bank. That's a pretty good fish. Let's get this guy back in. Thanks for biting. This is one of the best mornings I've had at this spot in a long time. I've said before, this spot gets overpressured, overfished. Now today, I'm using something completely different. I've never used this minnow before. Normally I'm coming in here with craws and frogs, toads. They like the minnow. It seems like the majority of the fish we're catching is right in this spot where this water is running through. We've got a little bit of a current. That's where they're attacking this minnow the most, it seems. My thought is probably they're sitting in this, not literally, they're waiting here in this spot and they're just having food washed down to them, and they're not going to have to put in a lot of effort in chasing things down. This poor minnow's in rough shape. I've had to cut quite a large chunk off the front. It's coming apart. Might be time for a new one. Time to put on a brand new one. This thing is just, it's not even moving in the water. It's just kind of going. Fresh minnow. Let's see if we can catch some more. These minnows were quite a bargain. Here in Maine, we have this place called Martin's, and it's this discount spot. It's like a salvage place. I think in other parts of the country, they may have something similar. I think it's called Ollie's. Oh, wait. We'll get back to that in a minute. Oh, no! Okay. Came off. I guess we can go back to our Martin story. So I picked these up at Martin's. It was a pack of 10 of these minnows for $2.49. That's a bargain. They have a little jingle, and it's, I should have bought it when I saw it at Martin's. And I'm glad I bought them when I saw them at Martin's. Again, we're just kind of bringing it through the current this way. The current's going that way, and I'm bringing it this way. And every now and then, it's just a stop, a couple of pops. Give it some erratic action. Well, we knew sooner or later this was going to happen. Yeah, this is that pickerel who's been bugging me. Now, can I get him off without actually having to... There we go. Good. Pickerel. Next cast, it seems as though we've got something better than a pickerel. Another one on the Ned Rig minnow. In a way, it's kind of getting old saying that, but you know what? No. Actually, no, it's not. Never gets old saying something like that. Let's get this guy back in. And there's the bite. Oh no, not another pickerel. Come on. No. Yikes. That's so gross. Nope. Not what we're trying to catch here. Another one. Yep. On the minnow. Let's get him back in. All right, folks, looks like that's going to be the end of the video. Really, really good morning today. Everything we caught, everything, including a couple of snot rocket pickerels. No, not pickerels. Snot rocket pickerel. Blech. Were caught on the Kalen's soft plastic minnow. I've never used that before, and today we got 8, 9 fish. I loved this lure. I absolutely loved it. I will definitely use this thing again. Whatever else you have planned, make sure you get out there and fish. Fresh minnow. I should have bought it when I saw it at Martin's.